Hello everyone. Today we are doing a very small reading comprehension. If you want to learn English, this is a very good way to know if you can understand things or not. So today's topic is Jan's pumpkin. We have 4 lines, and according to that, we have 3 questions, and answers are given in these lines. We don't have to look anywhere else. Okay, now let's start. Jan's pumpkin. Jan has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is orange. Jan will make a pumpkin pie. Super easy, super simple. Right now, let's look at the questions. First one is, what does Jan have? We have 3 options. First is bird, second is pumpkin, third is cat. Now look at the first line. Jan has a pumpkin. So we have pumpkin. Yes, that's right. By the way, please pause this video and write your answer in the comments. So at the end, we know where you stand and if you were able to correctly answer all the questions or not. So pause it, look at the questions and answer them in the comments. Done? Great. Now let's look at the second question. What color is the pumpkin? First option is orange, green, purple. Look at the third line. The pumpkin is orange. So we will select orange. First option, option A. Third question is, what will Jan make? A. Apple pie. B. Cake. C. Pumpkin pie. Now we have the answer here in the fourth line. Jan will make a pumpkin pie. That's right. So C. Pumpkin pie. I hope you got all the answers correct, and if not, that's okay. We can make mistakes. We are still learning. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want, you can buy me a coffee for my efforts. So please do so. Link is in the description box if you want. Okay. Alright. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.